Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, welcome once again to my channel. My name is Muhammad Atiq Anwar and you're watching my channel, Muhammad Atiq Anwar, and Education for Us All. Welcome to our kitchen once more, where you see a variety of ingredients, and we are going to make another very simple dish which is spinach, palak, potatoes, and chana or chole as we call it, and it is going to be a masala dish. So other than that, we have tomatoes, we have ginger, we have onions, and the usual spices, and of course we're going to garnish with coriander, and also going to use the ginger as a garnish. So let's make a start. We're going to warm some oil. नाज़रीन खुश आमदीद। आज की डिश है जी पालक, आलू और चना मसाला। सो स्टार्ट करेंगे। 3 spoonfuls of oil. Let that warm up nicely. Okay, the oil's warmed up there. Let's put the onions in. Okay, it was needed to be a little bit more hot, but never mind. Okay, प्याज हमने डाला। कितने अदद प्याज थे? 3 अदद प्याज, small प्याज. Okay, the onions are browning nicely. Can we add some tomatoes there? How many tomatoes did we add? Two tomatoes. So let those soften a little bit, and then we'll add the masalas. Okay, so the beginning to soften. Can we add some paste? 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Okay, so we're ready for the masalas now. So we have turmeric, we have chilies, and we have salt there. So can we add some paprika, and what was the other one?
Cumin.
Cumin, that's it. Okay, so now for my special ingredient, which is yogurt. Okay, 2 tablespoons in there. Give it a good mix. Okay, the paste is nicely coming on. Can we add our next ingredients, which is potatoes? So these are going to take a little while, so we'll cook these for 6 minutes. Okay, those are nicely done now. Let's put the next ingredient in, which is palak. Okay, give the spinach a good toss and turn there. Okay, so that the spices are nicely cooked. We're going to cook that for about 5-6 minutes. Okay, the palak is mixed in really well there. The spinach, I should say. Let's put in the last ingredient, which is chickpeas. So these are out of a can, but if you want fresh ones, you'd have to soak them, and hopefully you'll get the same flavour. Okay, so give that a real good mix, and we're going to cook that for another 5-6 minutes. And there is our final product. Okay, aloo, chana and saag. All that remains is to garnish it. So can we have some ginger on there, please? Okay, so let that soften. And then some fenugreek as well. Okay, can we add a bit of coriander? Okay, so let that absorb that around about 2-3 minutes. There we have it, viewers. Got it various names. I'll call it now saag, aloo and chana masala, which is its correct name. Once again, thank you for watching. Please keep supporting the channel. Tell all your friends about it. Until the next time, I say, look after yourselves, look after others. अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना। अल्लाह हाफिज़।